Alright. Welcome to 2025. My hair looks like shit, but that's okay. Jameson and I have finally found ourselves with a day where it is snowing out. It's like winter storm coming in from the north. There's a lot of snow on the road. We're gonna go and have some fun. We took the Crown Vic out earlier. To go to lunch, and that was fun. It really had jack shit for traction. Film a nice little video for some music, you know, a little cutesy video, and then later tonight with the homies, that's where we're gonna be drifting. So, are you ready, James? Jameson's got her onesie on. She's ready for the winter.
I forgot my jacket.
She did not bring her jacket. While the car's warming up, go get your jacket. That's not a bad view. I can see the steering wheel, but the rear view mirror does kind of get in the way.
Lives alone, you know.